Hello everyone, welcome to LANGTON Academic Solution. Today we are looking at calculus. Basically, calculus has two main branches, that is differentiation, and the second branch is integration. So, calculus, it deals with rates of change of various functions, and it has two branches, that is differentiation and integration. So let's first list the course outline, then we shall look at each part by part. So under differentiation, we are going to look at various concepts. For example, we shall look at the chain rule, we shall look at the product rule, we shall also look at quotient rule, we shall look at implicit functions. Implicit functions, we shall also, basically that's what we shall look at under differentiation. Then we shall look at various functions. Various functions, where most of the questions come from. These functions, how to differentiate various, we need to know how to calculate various functions, revenue, cost, and so basically differentiation deals with the rates of change. For example, if I have my function y equals to ax plus b, ax to power n. To differentiate y with respect to x, so differentiate y, you get change in y over change in x. So how do we differentiate? The first step of differentiating is dropping the power. This is my power. This is my base. I can call this my base. Once you are differentiating, first drop the power, and the power is n. Step 2, multiply the power times by the base. So I'm multiplying this times ax. Then step 3, reduce the power by 1. My power was n, so I'm reducing by 1. Therefore, dy dx equals to n. This is the times n x power n minus 1. An example, they can tell you differentiate if y equals to 2x squared plus 4x plus 5, and they can tell you to differentiate that one. How do you differentiate? We've said this one becomes change in y over change in x equals change in y over this change in x equals to, this is 2, this is our power, you multiply the power times this base, 2 times 2x, you get 4x squared minus 1. Drop the power, get the power, multiply times the whole number, that's the base, then after, reduce the power by 1, plus, this is already 4x, 4x has a silent 1. Any number, any unknown without the power is power 1. So it is 4x to power 1, 1 times 4, I'll get my 4x to power 1. 1 minus 1, because I have to reduce it by 1, plus 5. Now, the derivative of a constant is a 0. How does this occur? I'm repeating, the derivative of a constant is a 0. A constant is that number without unknown. Always, we know very well that any number to power 0 is 1. So any number to power 0 is 1. So this constant has a silent x to power 0, which is 1. To get 5 times 1, you will still get 5. Then 0 times 5, that's why you get a 0. That's where the rule that says that the derivative of any constant is a 0. So therefore, change in y over change in x equals to 4x plus 4x. So when you differentiate this, you get 4x plus 4, not 4x, because 1 minus 1 is a 0, and any number to power 0 is 1 plus a 0. So therefore you have differentiated. This is a simple example. If you look at example 2, they can say differentiate total cost equals to 2q cubed plus 4q squared plus 5q minus 3. How do you differentiate this? Change in total cost over change in quantity equals to 3 times 2, that is 6q squared. 3 times 2, then plus 3 times 2 is 6 minus 1 plus 4q plus 8q. 2 times 4 is 8, then plus 5. I told you the derivative of a constant is 0. So that is part 1. This is how to differentiate. So in part 2, this is a simple introduction about differentiation. Part 2, we are going to look at the various functions, how to treat them. Thank you. Wait for part 2.